Now let's move to the question number 9. A line PQ 64 mm long has one of its extremities 20 mm in front of VP and the other 50 mm above HP. The line is inclined 40 degree to HP and 25 degree to VP. Draw its top view and front view. So this is the question. So we will do this problem. Let us analyze this problem. Here the partial address of one endpoint is given and also partial address of the other endpoint is given. So that is end P is 20 mm in front of VP is given, but whether it is on HP or its distance from HP is not given. End Q is this much mm above is given, but it is in front of VP, in front or behind, that is not given. So true length is given. So first we will be locating P because P is 20 mm in front of VP, so 20 mm below XY line we will locate P. And the angle phi is given. The angle made by the line with the VP is given, true length is given, so that we can draw PQ2 equal to true length 64 mm at an angle 25 degree phi. That is given. Now once we have drawn PQ2, you can draw the locus line here by projecting Q2 to this XY line. Initially we will assume that end P is on HP. Actually that is not on HP, but for some purpose we will assume that this point is on HP so that P dash can be drawn here. So that is not the final P dash, that is why we have marked this as P0 dash. Now P0 dash Q2 dash is the front view length. Now at P0 dash at an angle 40 degree theta given, P0 dash Q0 dash will be drawn. P0 dash Q0 dash length is equal to 64 mm. If we know the true length and theta, we can really find out the top view length. So P0 dash Q0 dash is dropped to here, so that this length will be the top view length. So this top view is rotated to this top view locus, so that P and Q is joined. So we got the top view. If this is Q, Q dash can be drawn because the distance of Q from HP is 50 mm above, that is given, so that we can mark Q dash. Now if this is P, P dash will be lying in the same projector through P, and front view length is already found out. P0 dash Q2 dash is the front view length. So Q dash as center, P0 dash Q2 dash as radius. We will cut the projector from P upward at somewhere. That point is P dash. So P dash Q dash can be joined and marked. So PQ is the top view, P dash Q dash is the front view. So this is the solution of the problem.